Hi everyone, I'm Ida. You're watching English Brilliance, the channel that makes English simple, clear, and exciting. Today, I'm going to take you on a fun and busy day in my kitchen. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies, and I love teaching new words while I cook. So, let's start. This morning, I decided to make a vegetable stir-fry with tofu and pasta. First, I washed all the vegetables carefully. Washing is important to remove dirt or germs. I chopped the carrots and bell peppers. Chop means to cut into small pieces. I also minced some garlic. Mince is similar to chop, but the pieces are much smaller. While chopping, I remembered I also needed onions. I sliced them thinly. Slice means to cut food into flat pieces. I put everything on a plate and took a deep breath. My kitchen looked so colorful. Next, I heated some olive oil in a pan. Heat means to make something hot. Then I added the garlic and onions, letting them sizzle. Sizzle means making a hissing sound while cooking. I love how sounds can make cooking more fun. Once the onions were soft, I added the carrots and bell peppers and began to stir everything. Stir means to mix gently with a spoon or spatula. While stirring, I realized I forgot to season the vegetables. I added some salt, pepper, and paprika. Seasoning is adding flavor to food. While the vegetables were cooking, I boiled some water to make pasta. Boil means to heat water until bubbles form. I added a pinch of salt and dropped the pasta in. After a few minutes, I drained the pasta. Drain means to remove water. Then I added the pasta to my stir-fry and tossed everything together. I decided to fry some tofu for extra protein. Fry means to cook food in hot oil. I watched it turn golden and crispy. Crispy means crunchy on the outside. While frying, I grated some cheese for topping. Grate means to rub something into small shreds. I love the smell of melted cheese. Then I chopped some fresh herbs for garnish. Garnish means to decorate food to make it look pretty. I also sliced a few cherry tomatoes and sprinkled them on top. It looked so inviting. Before we move on, let's review the basic kitchen words we've used so far. Mince means cut into very tiny pieces. Slice means cut into thin, flat pieces. Heat means make something hot. Stir means mix gently with a spoon. Season means add spices, flavor. Boil means heat water until bubbles form. Drain means remove water from food. Fry means cook in hot oil. Grate means shred into small pieces with a tool. Garnish means decorate food for presentation. Now, let's explore some advanced words. I decided to sauté mushrooms in a little butter. Sauté means to cook quickly in a small amount of oil over high heat. While they cooked, I marinated the tofu in soy sauce and lemon juice. Marinate means to soak food in a sauce to add flavor. Next, I whisked eggs for a quick omelet. Whisk means to beat quickly to add air. I added a pinch of salt and pepper to make them fluffy. Then I caramelized some onions for extra sweetness. Caramelize means to cook sugar or onions slowly until golden brown. After that, I blanched the broccoli. Blanch means to boil vegetables briefly and then put them in cold water. This keeps them bright green and fresh. I also deglazed the pan with a splash of vegetable broth to pick up all the tasty bits stuck to the bottom. Deglaze means to add liquid to a hot pan to dissolve the flavorful bits. To make the meal even more fun, I decided to julienne some zucchini. Julienne means to cut food into thin, matchstick-like strips. I tossed them into the stir-fry at the very end. Then I drizzled a little olive oil and sprinkled some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, I prepared a small dessert. I whipped some cream to top strawberries. Whip means to beat until light and fluffy. I placed the cream on the strawberries and added a tiny sprinkle of cocoa powder for decoration. After all this, I served the meal at the table. Everything looked so colorful and delicious. Cooking in the kitchen is not just about food. It's about learning new words, having fun, and creating something wonderful. Let's review the advanced words again. Sauté means cook quickly in little oil, high heat. Marinate means soak food in sauce for flavor. Whisk means beat quickly to add air. Caramelize means cook slowly until golden brown. Blanch means boil briefly, then cool quickly. Deglaze means add liquid to lift flavors from pan. Julienne means cut into thin strips. Cooking can be a little messy sometimes, but it's also a great way to learn English naturally while having fun. Now, I hope you feel ready to try these words in your own kitchen adventures.